Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia G50 5G to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you need to tap on Send on Nokia and Receive on an Android. Following that, tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, just send and tap on Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and after that just tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, you can click on this scanning icon on an Android, then select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. After that, we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like that one. Tap on Continue, select in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!